Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section, we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find either the Google section or accounts, because after tapping on Google, you will be able to simply sign in right here. But I wanted to show you the way through the accounts, because here you will also be able to remove the account. The Google services do not provide you this option. So let's go to the accounts, and here we've got the section accounts for owner. So let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and enter your screen lock to confirm everything. So here we have to decide who will be using this device. So just mark the option, and as I said, the internet connection, make sure that you've got one. So here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or you can enter your email or phone, and I don't think it is the best idea to try to write it manually, so let me just enter it like that. Okay, and tap on next. Alright, right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Alright, let's be patient. Here we can decide whether we want to back up the data. It's totally up to you. You can mark it or not, and then tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account, and obviously it will also appear right here. So to remove the account, I highly recommend to tap on the accounts and tap on the account which you wish to remove. Then tap on remove account and tap on remove account again. Confirm it with OK, and of course confirm it with your screen lock. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.